what is filtering or categories in clean panels? You'll notice filtering is an option here in our preferences. Filtering is adding categories for all of your add-ons. So let's do a quick test here, or a quick example. Let's do a category of landscape. And inside of there, you can hit the plus here, and you can basically find things. Let's say we do true at whatever, we're the true sky. And let's see. All right, so we add those. And let's add an icon for it. We're just going to do a nice colorful one for right now. And let's add another category. We're just going to put whatever here. And again, click through here. And whatever we choose in this category is what's going to be shown on our end panel. Let's do another nice icon there. And you can also do custom icons. So anyway, we have two filters or categories set up. Now you are going to see on the bottom where it says add-ons to exclude. I have certain add-ons that I always want to be available no matter what I'm doing. And those, as you'll see on the right here, Alt-Tab Studio and Photographer are always available to me. So let's go ahead and save this. Come out. You'll see that your icons that you use now are here in the upper left or upper right, depending on how you chose. And then what happens is when you enable this category, you'll see your items are swapped on the end panel. If I have one category, only the ones from that one are going to be there. If I have the other, you'll see that. Now you can hold down Shift and you can enable multiple categories, which is cool. All right. Thank you so much.